Meaning of drop.
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 Drop. The term drop can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it may refer to the act of letting something fall or descend from a higher position to a lower one. It can also refer to a decrease in quantity, value, or quality. As a verb, drop implies a sudden or intentional action resulting in a separation from the original source. The outcome of a drop can range from minor to severe, depending on the object or context involved, and can cause physical, emotional, or financial impact.